Hi all. Today I am going to explain how to install the PrimeNG in Angular application. So for that you can just search PrimeNG Angular and that you can see the first URL. You can click on it. And about the PrimeNG contains many customizable UI components. So if you want to use any table structure instead of writing all the CSS in your Angular application, you can directly use this PrimeNG component. So it has many number of UI components. I can show you a demo. When you click on a demo, you can see you can auto complete calendar, checkbox chips. So for example, here you can see. So if you design this, or if you need each and every component, instead of importing multiple library, you can use a PrimeNG library and you can import whatever elements you need. You can import it and you can use it. So I'm trying to implement PrimeNG in our Angular application. So for installing, what we need to do? So for that, you can see Get Start sections. We need to install the PrimeNG and PrimeNG Icons. So if you are giving save, it will be save here. It will be shown in the package.json. You can see that PrimeNG got installed. The next one is like PrimeNG Icons. Now PrimeNG Icons is also installed here. Then you just try to run your application. So before that, what you have to do is like we need to for importing all this, for example, if you need to import input box, before importing that you need to declare the styles in the angular.json file. So you need to copy all these CSS and you need to make it available globally in angular.json. For that you can copy all those three node modules components. Here. So PrimeNG icon CSS, then themes. So we have a different themes. So almost 33 themes is available. If you want to use material design in PrimeNG, you can change this name itself. Then PrimeNG min.css. Then save it. Then if you want to use an input box, okay. So I am just going for a PrimeNG input box. So when you click on a PrimeNG input text, it will show you the code. First you need to import input text module. For that, go to app.module. If you are I have imported dot module, then paste it here. Then the next one is like input p text. If there is any model binding, you can apply the model binding as well. So in the app.component.html, I have another sample text box. Here I am changing to another one with a p input box. All the setup has been done. Just run your application. ng serve -a o is like to open Angular application automatically in the default browser. You can see the difference. This is one we are using a PrimeNG and this is the default one. Yeah, that's all about PrimeNG.